Hi students, good morning everyone. Now we are going to talk about 11th chemistry. This is introduction video, just intro video. Watch carefully my dear students. What is the chemistry? It's a very important point. What is the chemistry? Chemistry is the branch of science. Listen, chemistry is the branch of science that deals with the properties, composition and the structure of elements and compounds. Listen, chemistry is the branch of science that deals with the properties, compositions and the structure of elements and compounds. How they can change and the energy that is released or absorbed when they change. Branches of chemistry. Many branches of chemistry. Just four is very important. Organic chemistry, inorganic chemistry and physical chemistry, and last one analytical chemistry. First one, organic chemistry, study of carbon and its compounds. So very important, study of carbon and its compounds. This is organic chemistry. What is the inorganic chemistry? Study of elements and compounds other than organic. Study of elements and compounds other than organic. A study of structures and reaction of elements and inorganic compounds. This is study of elements and compounds other than organic. Study of structures and reactions of elements and inorganic compounds. What is the physical chemistry? Study of constitution of matter, various laws and principles governing physical process, mathematical method to understand and solve physical problems. Last one, analytical chemistry. Two types, qualitative and quantitative. What is the qualitative? What is present? What is the quantitative? How much is present? This is many types of branches of chemistry, but uh, important one only four types: organic and inorganic and physical, and last one analytical chemistry. This is very basic. What matter? Two types of matters: fused substance and mixtures. And fused substance, two types of fused substance and elements and compounds, and two types of mixtures: homogeneous mixtures and heterogeneous mixtures. Elements example oxygen, hydrogen, ions, and compounds example water, table salt, ammonia, and etc. Homogeneous mixtures example sea water, mouthwash, or alloys. Heterogeneous mixtures, pizza, Italian salad dressing, salt or waste dump. Okay, just say very important. Matter. Two types of matter. How many types of matter? Two types. First one, physical characteristics and chemical characteristics. These are chemical characteristics. Okay, this is physical characteristics. Three types of physical characteristics: solid, liquids, and gases. Solids, liquids, and gases. What is the solids? Strong attraction between the particles. Strong attraction between the particles. The particles are very close together and neatly arranged. The particles are very close together and neatly arranged. Particles vibrate in place. Listen, particle vibrate in place. What is the solids? Solids, strong attraction between the particles. Particles are very close together and neatly arranged. Particles vibrate in place. Define shape and define volumes. What is the liquids? Moderate attraction between particles. Moderate attraction between particles. Particles still very close together but not neatly arranged. Particles still very close together but not neatly arranged. Particles are able to slide past each other. This is indefinite shape and definite volume. Last one, gases. Very weak attraction between particles. First point, very weak attraction between particles. Particles are much further away from each other. Particles are much further away from each other. The particles move all around the bump into each other. Third point, the particles move all around and pump into each other in indefinite shape and indefinite volumes. This is chemical characteristics. Matter, two types of matter, one physical characteristics. Physical characteristics classified three types: solids, gases, and liquids. This is pure substance and uh, pure substance and mixtures and compounds. This is called chemical characteristics. What is the pure substance? Pure substance that cannot be broken down into any other substance by chemical or physical means. Pure substance that cannot be broken down into any other substances by chemical or physical means. First, gold element. So gold element is a pure substance and manganese dioxide is compound. Gold is a element, manganese dioxide is a compound. Pure substance that cannot be broken down into any other substance by chemical or physical means. Two types of pure substance. First one elements and another one compounds. What is the compound? A compound is a pure substance composed of two or more elements that are chemically combined. For example, water molecule. Two elements, hydrogen and oxygen. A compound is a pure substance composed of two or more elements. Two or more elements. Look the picture, hydrogen and oxygen that are chemically combined. Hydrogen and two hydrogen molecules and one oxygen molecules is combined water molecule. What is the element? Element is a pure substance that cannot be broken down into a simpler substance by physical and chemical means. For example, hydrogen, carbon, oxygens. This is simple. This is elements and compounds for examples of elements and compounds. Helium, oxygens, say elements containing one kind of atoms. Only one kind of atoms. See compounds, two or more kind of atoms. Example water, two or more kind of atoms. Second one, mixture. A combination of two or more substances in which each pure substance retains its individual chemical properties. What is the mixture? A combination of two or more pure substances in which each pure substance retains its individual chemical properties. Two types of mixtures. First one homogeneous mixture and another one heterogeneous mixtures. First one, a homogeneous mixture. What is the homogeneous mixture? Is a mixture of substance blended so thoroughly that you cannot see individual substance. Is a mixture of substance blended so thoroughly that you cannot see individual substance. This is called homogeneous mixtures. What is the heterogeneous mixture and examples? Multi-phase substance in a non-uniform composition. Multi-phase substance in a non-uniform composition. Three types of examples: salad, ice cubes in a drink, smoke. Next topic, periodic table. What is the periodic table? The periodic table is a chart of the elements arranged into rows and columns according to their physical and chemical properties. Listen, the periodic table is a chart of the elements arranged into rows and columns according to their physical and chemical properties. It can be used to determine the relationship among the elements. It can be used to determine the relationship among the elements. Families and groups. Families are groups. Listen, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is a period. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is called periods. 1A, 2A, 3A, 4A, 5A, 6A, 7A, 8A is a groups. 1A, 2A, 3A, 4A, 5A, 6A, 7A, 8A is a groups. Listen, this is first 1A is a alkali metal family. 1A is a alkali metal family. 2A is a alkali earth metal family. 2 is a alkali earth metal family. This is for this is transition metal family. This is transition metal family. First one, third is a boron family, carbon family, nitrogen family, oxygen family, and halogens family. And last one, noble gas or inner gas family. This is lanthanide series. Last one, actinide series. This is period table. Look the pictures very carefully. This is important one. One period 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 periods. Groups 1A, 2A, 3A, 4A, 5A, 6A, 7A, 8A. Look the picture. 1A, 2A, 3B, 4B, 5B, 6B, 7B, 8, 2B and 3B. Okay. This is F black elements. Last two is F black elements. Listen. This is alkali metals. This is alkaline earth metals. This is transition metals. This is boron family, carbon family, nitrogen family, oxygen family, and noble gas family. Sorry, halogens family, and last one noble gas family. Look, this is light metals. First two elements is a light metals. This is the heavy metals. 3 to 12 is a heavy metals. And 14 to 18 is a non-metals. And last one is a noble gases. Look, first two is a light metals. 3 to 12 is a heavy metals. And 14 to 18 is a non-metal. Last one, noble gases. So this is metals. The grey color is a metals, yellow color is a non-metals, and red color is a metallites. Red color is a metallites. See, elements on the left and middle are metals. Elements on the right are non-metals. Metallized from the narrow tri-step area between metals and non-metals. The last two to the right are noble gases. Okay, look. First two black elements, first two, group 1, group 2 is a S black elements. And group 3, group 4, group 5, 6, 8 is a B black elements. And transition metal is called D black elements. Alkali metals and alkaline earth metals is called S black elements. And boron family, carbon family, nitrogen family, oxygen family, halogens family, and last one, noble gas family is called B black elements. And transition metal is called D black elements. D black elements. Lanthanide series and actinide series is called F black elements. See this next one. How many orbitals? Four orbitals in present in period table. S orbital, P orbital, D orbital, and F orbital. So what is the F orbital? S orbital on all energy levels, one orbital and holds 2 electrons. On energy levels 2 and up, 3 orbitals hold 6 electrons. On energy levels 3 and up, 5 orbitals holds 10 electrons. On energy levels 4 and up, 7 orbitals hold 14 electrons. Look the picture. This is called nucleus. Look the picture. This is called nucleus. This is orbitals. Orbitals 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many orbitals? 4, right? 4 types of orbital. S, P, D, and last one F. S, P, D, F. How many electrons present in S orbital? 2 electrons. P orbital 6 electrons. D orbital 10 electrons, and 14 F orbital 14 electrons. Look. First one S orbital, second one P orbital. First one s orbital, second one p orbital, third one d orbital, fourth one f orbital. Look, it's a very important. First one cell, k cell, l cell, m cell, n cell, and last one o cell. Okay, fourth cell is a very important. K cell, l cell, and m cell, and n cell. First one, k cell. Wait. Sorry for the disturbance. Wait, my dear students. First one, uh, K subcells, L subcell, M subcell, and N subcell, and O. So 4 is very important. K, L, M, N. Okay. Nucleus to K cell. Nucleus to K cell. Yes. Nucleus to first orbital. Sorry. Nucleus to S orbital is called K cell. Nucleus to p orbital is called L cell. Nucleus to d orbital is called M cell. Nucleus to f orbital is called n cell. Why? Listen. Nucleus to k orbital, s orbital. Only how many electrons present in s orbital? 2. Nucleus to p orbitals. How many orbitals present in L, S, and P? Yeah, how many electrons present in S? 2, and P? 6. 2 plus 6, 8. Third one, nucleus to d orbital, s, p, d. Therefore, 2 plus 6 plus 10, 18 electrons. And last one, f, 2 plus 6 plus 10 plus 14. Therefore, 32 electrons. Okay, my dear students. Say important revision: isotopes, isobars, and isotones. What is the isotopes? Same atomic number and different mass number is called isotopes. What is the isobars? Same atomic mass number when different atomic number is called isobars. What is the isotone? Same neutrons and same proton, but different number of same number of neutrons but different number of electrons and proton is called isotone. For example, look the picture. Isotope, same atomic number, 6 is the atomic number, carbon atomic number 6, therefore 6 is a same atomic number but different mass number is called isotope. What is the isotone? Different atomic number and different mass number but neutron electrons and proton is called same, therefore this is isotone. Next one, isobar, uh, different atomic number but the same molecular different atomic number but different mass number is called isobar. Student, this is introduction video. Just try 2 questions. It's a very important 1 mark question. That's a very important 1 mark question. That's all. And don't fear. Just introduction video. This is just introduction video. Therefore, very simple. Okay. Write general electronic configuration of SPDF elements or general electronic configuration of SPD black elements. How many electrons present in K, L, M, N cells? K, L, M, N cell. This is introduction video, therefore simple questions. Okay, students, please write your rough note. Please take a photocopy, send to my personal WhatsApp number. Thank you, students. God bless you.